How to find someone on Roblox without their username. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to locate someone in Roblox without knowing their username. So is it possible? Let's find out. Usually there isn't a direct method to find someone you've interacted with if you lack their username. For example, if you have played with someone but you can't find them now or accidentally removed a friend who you want to reconnect on Roblox, there isn't an official solution for this on the mobile app or the website itself. One suggestion is to check your computer's web browser history. By pressing Ctrl+H, you will be able to head over to the history option where you might find the games you played or the profiles you visited, and clicking on the profile may allow you to send a friend request or take other actions. So unfortunately, there isn't a complete history of the people you have played with available besides checking your browser history. And another approach is to revisit the game and explore the different servers to see if they are still present. Sadly, there is no official way to find someone without their username on the Roblox. I hope the method I presented can assist you in your situation, and if this video has helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.